Okay, this is a video from, or should I say another video for this drone, which does not work. It will not connect. And this company here at this email site, or these people here, or this here, forget it. These people will not get back to you when having a problem. I purchased this drone from Banggood, and they're actually giving me no satisfaction on possibly a partial refund on this upair 2 drone. I had purchased, before I received this upair 2 drone, a ton of more props because it only comes with 4. So I also purchased a spare battery through AliExpress because Banggood didn't have these on sale at the time for over I think it was $140. So right here on this battery and these props, I'm out over probably maybe $170, $80 on all of these props. This is a video on no satisfaction from Banggood on possibly helping me out on a partial refund on this drone, and just using this as parts because I purchased all of these blades and this extra battery for this drone. All I want is send it back, send it back, send it back. Yeah, I'm going to spend a ton of money to send this back all the way to China. I had let them know if they could help me out and get a hold of this company here and let me know if there was some way that I could get this thing going. But absolutely zero response from this company. Zero response. Zero. I've sent emails out to these people here. I sent an email out to these people here on this site and on this one here. Absolutely zero response. So now Banggood says, oh, go and see if you can get it repaired. But if you open it up, the warranty is void. Okay, so I'm going to go through what's happening to this thing and let you know how I've got it connected with the cable. And USB tethering is on. And as you can see here, my Wi-Fi is on. So I'm going to hit Wi-Fi right here, and I'm going to turn this on. Now it lights up, and it goes through its little dance. Going through its little dance. And as you can see, all the lights are on. We also, this is hard to film. We also have a little blue light in the front here also. So the gimbal works. The gimbal does go up and down, but it will not connect to the app, which I will show you now. Okay, So we're going to check this out right here. Connected with no internet. Okay, even though I would have the hotspot connected, it still says this: connected without internet. Connected without internet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we are going to go to the upair app. And remind you that I'm running a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, so now we're going to go to the app. Which is the awere new app. I'm going to hit it. I come up with a picture. Then I come up with this. Make sure the USB tethering has been opened in your device. Okay, which it is. Now, I will come up with, let me turn the camera around. I will come up with what I have here on the phone, a picture which says enter camera view. I will press enter camera view, and as you can see, it goes, it's already the latest version. Hit it again. It's already the latest version. Now, if I take my finger and hold on to this, watch what happens. There you go. It won't connect. And if you notice, I'll bring the camera in. Oops. And I go back. Okay. Enter camera view. If you notice up here on the Wi-Fi, there is a slash mark next to the Wi-Fi symbol. Not a slash mark, but whatever that symbol is. Okay, so we're going to go back on this at the app. Of course, you see if I touch it here, it does nothing. If I hit the enter camera view, it's already, hit it again. It's already the latest version. And as I bring the camera back, I will hold my finger on enter camera view, and look what it does. Will not connect. Will not connect. Okay. Now, the gimbal goes up and down, and I will show you what happens when I run the joysticks out or in. If I can film this at the same time, the drone will run for 5 seconds and shut off. Of course, it's not connected. No FPV. See the motor's running? Now watch, it's going to shut off. 5 seconds. Remember now, it's not connected to the app. There, it just shuts off. So both joysticks, down and in, this is what it does. I'm going to do it again. There it goes. Joysticks down and in together. It's going to shut off. Okay, now, I was hoping that buying all these props and this extra battery, that Banggood which is giving me a hard time, says just send it back, send it back, send it back. Then I get an email from them, oh, see if you can get it repaired. Yeah, get it repaired. Who's going to work on this thing? The only people that are going to work on this thing is this company, which will not get back to you. These people will not get back to you. And I've sent various emails to these people, and they won't get back to me. Okay, so I told Banggood that I feel that the company went bankrupt and they're not making these drones no more. But yet they're selling them. Yet they're still selling them. So I told Banggood, can you get a hold of these people here and tell them that I'm having this problem, if they could help me out to see if I can get this thing going somehow. Oh, just send it back. Just send it back. That's all. So they press a button on their little computer when you send them an email. Oh, just send it back for a full refund. What's that going to do? Full refund. I want to get this thing going. I don't want no refund. I'm not going to send it back and spend an arm and a leg to send this back and then I'm going to get a refund. I'm going to be losing money. And I bought all these props and a spare battery, which comes to probably close to 170, 180 bucks. And I can't use them. They're garbage. The drone is garbage. This company here will not get back to me. They have a phone number. The phone number is right here. Does not work. The phone number does not work. So apparently this company is out of business. So what happened was, I was telling the Banggood that if they could give me a partial refund on this drone, that I would buy another drone from them, and only if they could guarantee, test it out, before they would send it to me, I would pay the price and just use this drone here as parts. So I have these and these, and I could use this drone for parts. So I was going to pay the $300, I think it's $69 now. It went up like, I think it was $330 when I purchased it, and it's $369 now. $369. So I was gonna, if they could give me a partial refund on this drone, then I would buy a new drone from them at a discount price. They would send me another one, and only if they would test it out to make sure that the new one they would be sending me would work. This one does not. I've tried iOS on my Apple. I've tried switching batteries. Nothing works. I've tried this numerous times. Now, I have like probably close to 20 drones, so with those I have no problem. But this thing does not work. And this company will not, this company here will not get back to you. So this is basically an educational video to tell everyone that if you try to purchase one of these and it comes in the mail and you have problems, all Banggood is going to say is send it back. If you're lucky to get one that works, great. But if it crashes and you need parts, this company here, right here, will not respond to you. So what good is it if you can't get parts? So if there was a repair station in the United States that could fix this, then if it broke, say the camera broke, whatever, you can't get parts from this company. They won't respond. Banggood won't even talk to these people to tell them to send me an email and maybe I could get this working. They will not do it. All they say is send it back for a full refund. And I've got all this extra stuff I spent before this drone came in the mail, and nothing works. Sad, sad, sad. Banggood, shame on you for not helping me out a little bit. And upair, oh, sad, sad company. Sad, sad company. So, this is basically an educational video. I don't feel I will buy anything more from Banggood because they're not helping me out a little bit. And they lost a customer, and maybe this educational video on this drone will help other people, maybe possibly purchasing this, will say, oh, I've seen that video, I don't think I'm going to take a chance on it. Oh, if you buy one and it doesn't work, just send it back. Go ahead. It's a big box. This box is huge. Why they're making smaller drones now that come in a smaller box? Probably on the shipping aspect, it's a lot cheaper. But to send this big box back? Oh my God, no. So basically that's my video. Hopefully somebody that's seeing this will say, okay, no, I don't think it'd be a good idea to purchase this if I can't get parts or nobody can fix it and I got to send it back to China. So basically that's the end of my video on the upair 2 ultrasonic 3D plus 4K. Oh, one more thing. I have a lot of drones, and basically the only reason I had bought this one is because of the 3D aspect. I like to get that going on the 3D aspect to educate myself on what it would look like and on 3D, because I do have other 3D goggles and that, and I would like to see what it would look like. But this thing is grounded. It is basically garbage now. And this is garbage. This is garbage. And it's all garbage. So this will be the end of this long video. And hopefully if you do buy one, you have better luck than I do from this company. So that will be the end of my video. And good luck to everybody, and I hope you get educated. Thank you. Bye.